Hey there, future millionaires. You ready to take control of your financial future and start earning money from the comfort of your own home? Do you have what it takes to become a successful online trader? Well, today's your lucky day, because we are going to teach you everything you need to know about online trading. From choosing a broker to placing your first trade. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn how to start trading online. First, let's define what online trading actually means. Basically, it's just buying and selling financial assets through the internet. So instead of going to a physical stock market and shouting at people, you can do it all from your laptop or phone. It's fast, convenient, and anyone with an internet connection can do it. And the best part is that you can trade pretty much anywhere in the world. The most popular assets that traders buy and sell online include currencies, stocks, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. But remember, online trading is not a walk in the park. It's a thrilling roller coaster ride filled with ups and downs. It's that S, crucial to equip yourself with the right knowledge and skills before taking the plunge. Just like learning a new language or mastering a musical instrument. Becoming a successful trader takes practice, dedication, and a willingness to learn. Don't worry though, we've got your back. Stick around until the end of this video, and we'll reveal some valuable resources that will help you on your trading journey. So don't wait any longer. Want to keep watching? And let's dive into the exciting world of online trading together. Now that we've got you pumped about online trading, let's dive into the nitty-gritty. Our first step is to choose a reliable broker. A broker is like a matchmaker for traders in financial markets. They connect buyers and sellers and facilitate the buying and selling of financial assets. Look for brokers that are regulated by reputable financial authorities such as the FCA, SIC, or NFA. This ensures that they meet certain standards of financial stability and security. A good broker should also provide a user-friendly trading platform that is easy to navigate and execute trades quickly. Here are some of the most popular brokers among traders. There are plenty of other great brokers out there too. It really comes down to your personal preferences and trading style. Next, it's time to open and verify your account. Head over to your chosen broker's website and click on the Sign Up button. You'll need to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. Once you've created your account, it's time to verify your identity. This is a crucial step that helps protect your account security and ensures compliance with regulations. Most brokers require you to upload a copy of your ID, passport, or driver's license to verify your identity. It's important to make sure that your chosen broker accepts traders from your country. Some brokers restrict trading based on geographical location, so double-check this before signing up. Luckily, many brokers welcome international traders and cater to a global audience. So don't worry if you're not located in a major financial hub. So many brokers accepting traders worldwide, you'll have plenty of options to choose from. After opening and verifying your account, it's time to learn the ropes of your chosen trading platform. Familiarize yourself with the platform's features and functionalities to ensure a smooth trading experience. Explore the platform's layout, navigation menus, and available trading tools. Most brokers offer tutorials and demo accounts to help you practice and test strategies without risking real money. Take advantage of these resources to build your confidence and learn the ins and outs of the platform. Once you've mastered the platform, it's time to fund your account. Head over to the cashier section and choose your preferred method of payment. Many platforms support bank transfers, debit and credit cards, and digital payment services. Once your deposit is complete, the funds will be reflected in your trading account and you're ready to start trading. Now that your account is funded, it's time to make your first trade. Choose the asset you want to trade and set your desired investment amount. Determine whether you want to buy or sell the asset based on your market analysis and predictions. Set your stop loss and take profit levels to manage your risk and secure potential profits. Click on the Buy or Sell button to execute your trade. Congratulations, you've made your first trade. Now sit back, relax, and let the market work its magic. Becoming a successful trader takes time and practice. Don't expect to become an expert overnight. It's essential to keep learning and refining your strategies to stay ahead of the game. Explore different trading techniques and consider taking courses or attending webinars to enhance your skills. Continuous learning is key to staying competitive and adapting to the ever-changing market conditions. As you gain experience, monitor your progress and evaluate your trading performance regularly. Analyze your wins and losses to identify areas for improvement and adjust your strategies accordingly. By continuously evaluating and refining your approach, you'll be well on your way to becoming a more successful trader. And here's a bonus tip. Find a trading mentor or join a community of like-minded traders. Having a support system can provide valuable insights, motivation, and guidance on your trading journey. Remember, successful trading requires patience, discipline, and emotional resilience. Stay focused, keep learning, and don't be afraid to take risks. With persistence and determination, you'll be on your way to financial freedom in no time. But before you start trading, it's crucial to prioritize safety and security. Unfortunately, the world of online trading is not without its risks, and it's essential to take precautions to protect yourself from potential threats. One of the most significant risks you face as a trader is the risk of fraud and scams. There are numerous scams and fraudulent activities targeting traders, including fake brokers, pump and dump schemes, and phishing attacks. It's essential to be aware of these threats and take steps to protect yourself. To minimize the risk of fraud, stick to reputable and regulated brokers. Research thoroughly before opening an account with any broker and ensure they are licensed and supervised by recognized financial authorities. Avoid brokers that promise unusually high returns or seem too good to be true, as they could be potential red flags. Another crucial aspect of online trading safety is protecting your personal and financial information. Be cautious about sharing your personal details and login credentials with anyone. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication to safeguard your account security. Regularly review your account statements and monitor your trades for any suspicious activity. If you notice anything unusual, contact your broker immediately and investigate further. Remember, vigilance and caution are key to maintaining your security in the online trading world. There you have it, folks. You're now armed with the knowledge and tools to start your journey as an online trader. We hope you found this guide helpful, and we wish you the best of luck in your future trades. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more valuable content. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them below. Thanks for tuning in, and happy trading. Till next time.